He has a cross, and it said "God bless you" on the back of his phone,
And told us to
have a terrible day.
Cool, man.
Just what I expect. Couldn't expect anything more from them. Ooh, what is that color? That is a fancy color. It's like shifting into two different colors. Damn, we got the finger. All right. Hey, crosswalk! Hey! Crosswalk! You almost hit me! What are you doing? Crosswalk! He was so busy flipping me off. I love the truck. That's a sick truck. Wow.
Like when you tweaked out on that car right now?
Bro, that guy, he literally...
Like it's under. I was like, what the hell is wrong with you, bro?
Okay, I didn't do all that. I just beat the shit out of his head because he almost fucking hit me.